On behalf of CPIM party, I vehemently oppose the bill, Essential Commodities Act Amendment Bill 2020. I suggest the government to change the name of this bill as Food Holding Freedom for Corporates Bill 2020. Why I am saying that? What does the bill do? The Essential Commodities Act Amendment Bill removes the supply of all food commodities from regulation under Essential Commodities Act except in extraordinary circumstances. The price limits set for such extraordinary circumstances are so high that they are likely to be never triggered, and even in those cases, big companies like Adani's would be exempt from any stock limits. In Parent Act, the restriction was on agri-business companies and traders. Now those restrictions are being removed for all food commodities. So it gives them to purchase and store any quantities, hence indulge in hoarding. There it should be called Food Hoarding Freedom for Corporates Bill. Companies like Adani, Wilmar, Reliance, etc. will now have freedom to stock any amount of food commodities. This freedom has only with farmers and food producers organization until now. They will build huge storage and processing facilities and build complete market domination. This means that they will dictate terms to farmers, which is likely to lead to less prices to farmers, not more income. It has been established that when there is price rise in the retail market, the benefit is to passed on to the farmers. But when there is price fall, the loss is passed on to the farmers. For example, Adani Wilmar imports large quantities of oil and pulses from its hoarding in other countries, including Africa. Adani Wilmar is investing $350 million in Bangladesh, setting up a food processing industry. Since there will be no limit to stocking in India, imports by Adanis from their business abroad can dominate Indian market in a bigger way. Government willingly curtailing its power to protect the interest of most marginalized citizens, but protect the interest of holders and big business. Sir, by using its powers under the Act, enables the state government to issue control orders, regulate the movement of goods within and across states and fix stock limits. It could make licensing compulsory and even impose levy on production of goods. The states made full use of these powers and thousands of police cases were registered every year for alleged violation of control orders. This power of states will cease except in extraordinary circumstances. So it's needed wide discussion. So I request the government should send this bill to select committee and come with a reasonable modification. Sir, I conclude you. I again say, I vehemently oppose the bill.